Samsung is slowly getting ready for big things, and the excitement is hard to ignore. The company is working on not one but 3 next-generation foldable smartphones for its Unpacked event this summer. This is one of the biggest steps the company has taken so far in its folding journey. It is said that Samsung is turning away from a narrow design direction compared to last year. The Galaxy Z Fold 8, the brand new Galaxy Z Wide Fold, and the Galaxy Z Flip 8 are all expected to be in the mix this time. Key information are already coming out in early leaks. China's 3C certification confirms that the Galaxy Z Flip 8 will be able to handle 25-watt fast charging. As people wait more and more, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the new Wide Fold have shown up in the 3C database with model numbers SMF9710 and SMF9760, which highly suggests that they will be released soon. Listings for certifications say that both of the high-end foldables may be able to charge at up to 45 watts wired using 15 volts and 3 amps. This is a big improvement over older models, especially the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which could only be charged via a 25-watt cable. These details only cover charging over a wire, since 3C approvals usually don't include information on charging wirelessly. There are new rumors coming from the Korean supply line that Samsung is getting ready to show off the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Z Wide Fold, and Z Flip 8 on July 22, 2026, in London, UK. Samsung is said to be moving forward with a design that is almost 0.5 millimeters smaller than Apple's rumored device. This shows that Samsung is not just following suit, but also taking the lead, and the S Pen may come back. After taking a step back because of design limitations, Samsung could add pen support to a thinner foldable, giving it an edge that Apple still doesn't have. If everything goes as planned, July 22 could change the flexible race. It's finally here, the first public animation of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide running One UI 9.